Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Public goods are a classic economics topic that you can master in seconds. Let us break down the specific criteria for a pure public good. First, we define what makes a good truly public. It must satisfy two specific conditions simultaneously. We are looking for the combination of non-rivalry and non-excludability to find our answer. Non-rivalry means that when one person uses the good, it does not reduce the amount available for others. Think of a street light shining for everyone at the same time. Non-excludability means you cannot stop people from using it once it exists. This leads us directly to option E as the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check your steps carefully.